Hey, good evening and happy Memorial Day weekend to all of you. We are dry docking the boat for a little bit of time, trying to redo a couple odds and ends. Had to patch up some stuff, protect where my feet are rubbing against the bottom of the board while rowing. Added a couple drain holes here, and then on the opposite side, so that when I flip the boat over in the water for portaging, water doesn't just get caught here and just weigh me down. It'll be able to drain out as we're carrying it. So honestly, I don't even remember. I probably have never even showed me making the yoke. Turned out, I mean, it's not perfect, but it turned out pretty decent. I did try these little yoke protectors to keep from scratching for, taking the yoke in and out. First pass was pretty ugly. So I did it again, and it turned out a little bit better this time. That one's not totally centered, but that's okay. Then yeah, I don't know, just a couple, another coat or two of varnish. I've been rowing a decent amount, trying to practice. We raced around the mountain. Let's see, on May 10th, a 10-mile race. That was pretty good. And that was kind of like the first time for this boat. So just trying to gear up for July is the Hamner guideboat race in Saranac. But yeah, I got a lot of training to do. I need to do like the first day of the 90 miler from Old Forge to Long Lake, New York. Do like the traditional 90 miler for training. So yeah, I just got to get this thing ready to be abused and wet and beaten on for a bit, and we'll see. I had a touch of the paint a couple places, and I had to gear up on a whole lot of plastic cups for all the varnishing and knickknacks and whatever that I'll be doing. So yeah, I don't know. It's just never going to be done. Never ever going to be done patching this boat up, but it's enjoyable work, honestly. So, final thing I did do is, which is kind of interesting, is I put down some chip plastic. You can kind of see through there. I launched from a beach and I had sand in the heel of my soft-soled shoe, and that wore away at the side, which was kind of ugly. But this stuff will be removable easily enough. The thing I don't like about it is it's very glossy, whereas I have a very flat sheen, a matte sheen varnish, for sun and to reduce sun glare. So I might try to put some varnish on that, see if that takes or not. I don't know if it will or not, but I think the added protection it offers is worth worth it. Not traditional, but neither is cedar strips. So, what do you say? So anyways, thank you for stopping by. I hope you all have a great Memorial Day weekend, start of the summer, and get out on the water. Looking forward to getting back into the Adirondacks. Black fly season will hopefully be over soon. But that's it for now, and as always, happy woodworking, and cheers. Bye.